Good morning, you guys. So today is, what's today? Thursday? Yeah, today is Thursday. I have my waist trainer, y'all. I look at the previous clips. I've been looking hella crazy because, especially in the car driving, like it's like my boobs have been up to my neck. But I'm standing up now so it don't look as bad. But we're getting ready to cook some breakfast. I think that I'm gonna have bacon, and then I think that we're going to do pancakes, and Kayson is going to help me make breakfast today. So let's get out all the ingredients that we need. And I just use these pancakes. Y'all know I'm no chef, so we're gonna use those. And I think you only add, I think, water. Just add water, sis. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, baby. I'm in here vlogging and cooking. Come in here. Aren't you gonna help me? And I'm gonna try not to make too many pancakes, you guys, because the batter can be real tricky. And I think I'm gonna have bacon too with Kayson. I have some Kaneka sausage, but I think I'm just gonna do bacon and pancakes. And this will be my first time trying this brand of bacon. Smoked bacon. I'm not really sure. I normally like it thick sliced, but we're gonna try it like this. And we could make strawberry pancakes with chocolate syrup and everything. You want chocolate pancakes? So are you ready to make pancakes? Yes.
I'm pretty sure my big help I get.
Oh boy. And let's tell them, y'all, we finally got Krispy Kreme donuts last night.
Mama,
yes.
open the show them I said.
Open
it.
Hold on, we don't have to open it, but we finally got some donuts, y'all. It's been a long time coming. We've been trying to get donuts since like Tuesday. And well, maybe like Monday, and we just got them last night. And I still have to wait in the line, you guys. The line was long as hell. Like, it was wrapped around the building, but we finally got them. So that's good. I love you so much. Come on, let's make the pancakes. Come on. Get down.
Oh, I can't even bite through this.
See, look, there it is. Chocolate cherry pancakes. But do you want to put chocolate on yours after?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna, can you pour some of this in the bowl?
Okay.
It's already open. Keep pouring it.
That's okay, I got a little on the table.
It's okay, baby. Pour the water in.
This is not water.
Okay, now.
We need another water.
Now we're gonna mix it.
Mom, why you have bubbles in it?
Because that's how it's gonna be. We gotta make it like a batter.
It smells good. It smells like cookies.
It does, doesn't it? I did decide to add a little sausage, you guys, because I just wanted a little. Like, I love Kaneka sausage. But the bacon and the sausage is almost done. So I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more, get a little bit crispy. So you guys, this is my breakfast, and I'm having some orange juice, and then this is Kayson with his chocolate syrup, and then he's having chocolate milk. So I just finished filming this makeup look, sis. So basically we're behind the scenes because you guys are about to help me find something to wear. I'm really just going over one of my sister's friend's house, having a few drinks, chilling, nothing major. So I just decided to pick up the camera. Kayson is actually gone. He's gone with his dad, so it's just me. And today is Saturday, so it's the day before Mother's Day. So I figured I'd get out the house and do a little something. So let's go find something to wear. I know that was just crazy, and it probably made y'all hella dizzy looking at it. So yeah, let's find something to wear. Let's cut these lights on. going into the closet. I really need to wash my hands. I normally like to wash my hands after I film a video because sometimes my hands get really you know, they have makeup on them before I get dressed and touch my clothes and all of that. We want to make sure they good. So let's wash our hands real quick and then we're gonna find something to wear. In the closet we'd go. Y'all, look at these balloons up here. That's what those strings are. Those are actually going to be given to my mom for Mother's Day. But I put them in the closet, so I don't know. I thought maybe she wouldn't come in my closet when she comes over. And I thought maybe Kayson wouldn't tell her. So that's why the balloons are in the closet. I had to give y'all a whole explanation for that, right? So I'm thinking about wearing some jeans because I want to be fine. So I'm thinking about wearing, I'm thinking maybe these jeans, or maybe we should get out a few things so I can have a few different options. So I actually have a little bit of green in my waterline. I'm not sure if you guys can really tell, but in the video I put like an olive green on my waterline. So I think I'm going to wear this camo shirt right here. Let me move those shoes out the way. But I have the light wash jeans that I just got out with you guys, but I think that the dark wash may look a little better. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna try it on to see if I like it or not. I'm really feeling casual. I don't want to wear heels or anything too fancy, so we're gonna see how this turns out. This is what the outfit is looking like. I like the outfit. I decided to go with the darker jean because I thought they look a whole lot better. But I'm not sure about what kind of shoes I should wear. I definitely don't want to do sandals, but I don't know if the Vans that I got out look good with this. Everything else is kind of dark and these are like super light. Maybe I should wear my black Vans. So I think that these look a whole lot better. So I decided to throw on some hoop earrings, you guys. I really don't know how I feel. I feel like they're a little big. I like a good hoop every now and again, but like I need a few months. Like we already just coming out of quarantine and everything, so I feel like this is real July-ish. Like I'm not ready for these hoops yet. And I feel like my outfit is already very I don't know. The hoops are cute, but I'm not really feeling them. But I've had these hoops on for about a good 5 minutes and they kind of growing on me a little bit. We'll see. Hold that thought. This is the final look, you guys. I decided to go with a smaller hoop. They're not super little, but they're not as huge as the other ones. These are even the ones I would wear to work. Like I really like a hoop, but not when they're just too big, because I feel like they were just taking over. Like they was doing too much. I put on my belt and I have on my black Vans. So yeah, I am ready to go. I need to go because I have on shoes in my house. No ma'am, unacceptable. So I guess I'll leave this fan on. I'm getting ready to cut off these lights because I was filming a video. But y'all, yeah, these are what the hoops are looking like. They look a lot better than the other ones. They was just like, they was too big, sis. Like they were doing way too much. I'm super hungry, y'all, so I'm thinking about stopping to get me some food before I go because I'm starving. Like I had a kids meal earlier with Kayson while he was getting his haircut, and I had a kids meal. Did I say that? Because y'all, I don't mind having a kids meal, but it's time to eat some food now. Good morning, you guys. So today is actually Mother's Day. So I am getting ready to head out. I'm getting ready to go to my mom's house and spend some time with her and my sister and my family. I wanted to go to Sephora, but they're still closed because I was gonna go grab some Fenty because Fenty got me going a little crazy. But yeah, we're getting ready to leave the house. I have so much stuff to put in the car. This is what I'm wearing, you guys. It's just a cute little jumpsuit. Real cute, real thick, you know what I'm saying? Real snatched. But it's super cute. I'm just wearing it with these cute little bow tie sandals. I just have on like this little lariat some studs, a gold watch, nothing too major. Let me go cut off the light in this bathroom because we're getting ready to roll. So now I'm just getting ready to go to my mom's house. I have so much stuff to load in the car. So I got her some balloons for look at me to my Valentine's Day. So I got her some balloons for Mother's Day, but I also wanted to get her some roses or some flowers. And then I also got her a card too. I'm sure she's gonna be pretty happy about that. I have so much stuff to load in the car because I got the balloons, I got my purse, I got my laptop because I'm gonna be working, you know, just a little bit, you know. So I guess let's go ahead and go to the store to find my mom some flowers. I also need to get me some flowers too because it's actually been a minute since I've had flowers here at my house. I normally like to just keep roses or flowers in my house, but it's been a minute, so I'll probably pick up myself some too. And I need to hurry because hopefully they have some left, because y'all know how people are on Mother's Day, especially being last minute. So now that we're in the car, I just realized how rude I was. I didn't even say happy Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful, beautiful mothers out there. Like, being a mom is not an easy job. It's definitely not a hard job either, but it takes a lot. It takes a village, and us mothers, we really hold the fort down. Like, we really make stuff happen. We are the OGs, and our love is so unconditional for our children, and what we do for our children is just never ending and never stopping. So happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there. So yeah, I just wanted to say that because y'all, I was just super rude. Y'all, I am so disappointed, and I'm disappointed in myself. Like, I should already have gotten flowers. So the supermarket, the fresh market, they were actually out of flowers. Like, they had some, but they weren't even bloomed yet. So I'm like, no, I cannot get those. Trying to see what to do now. I would try Publix, but I just heard a guy in there saying that he tried Publix and Publix was out of flowers too. Y'all, like, it's crazy. So y'all know how I told y'all about dating last time. I should have been vlogging, but it was this guy, like, he literally ran me down out the store, literally, y'all. And I heard him saying, excuse me ma'am, excuse me ma'am. I'm like, damn. Sometimes, like, I'm like, chill. But anyways, he was actually super cool and stuff like that. But yeah, you know. But I guess, I don't know if I should try somewhere else, like Walgreens or something. I may try another store, but I don't know, y'all. I may just do the balloons. Balloons are really corny. Like, I feel like at a certain age, like, I don't like balloons, me personally. Like, I like flower, like for Valentine's Day and stuff, balloons are a no-go. But I just got the balloons, I guess. I got her a card too, and the card has money in it, so. But I really wanted my mom to have some nice flowers, and I wanted some flowers for myself too, but I don't know if that's going to happen. So we just not too long ago got home from my mom's house, you guys. Kayson is with me. Y'all, the food was so good, I literally have me a to-go plate. I started to show you guys, but my camera was in the car, and I'm like, look. Kayson, you want to come say hey to the vlog? To the vlog. He in there watching cartoons. Say what's up.
The day I wake up in so sky, turns out I'm about to have a good time.
Okay, so I'm getting ready to take me a bath. So tonight is Sunday. That's when I do like my skincare. I pamper myself. So I just have me some tea right here. This is the organic Tussly peppermint tea. And this tea is from Sips By. You guys know that I love Sips By. I'm just letting it seep. So of course today is Sunday, so it's the day that I do my self-care. So I'm getting ready. Well, my bath water is already running, but I'm getting ready to take off my makeup and all of that good stuff. And I'm getting ready to take me a bath. So I just have my water running right now. I'm waiting for that to finish. And we're gonna hop in, and I'm gonna do some skincare, remove my makeup. I'm gonna do some body care, all of that. And I'm probably gonna just chill and watch a movie after I finish. So you guys, my bath water just finished running, so I'm getting ready to take my bath. Y'all, I am doing the most. I'm about to take a bath. I'm doing laundry. Like, I'm waiting for this video to finish uploading. Like, I'm doing the most.com. I just wanted to come on here and end the vlog the correct way, because y'all, I be forgetting to tell y'all bye. Like, I be forgetting. And also, y'all got 3 videos this week, so I really deserve a thumbs up for that. I worked super hard, and I deserve a round of applause, sis. 3 videos. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Mwah.